Hello, Jamb 2010 Economics Past Question. Question number 25. The demand call for factors of production. Option A. Before we look at the options, let's look at what factors of production is. Let's look at what factors of production is. Factors of production refers to agents, components, or resources which are combined together to produce goods and services. And we have four factors of production. We have land, capital, entrepreneur, and we have labor. We have labor. These are the four factors of production. So, as a rule, and in accordance with the law of demand curve normally slopes downwards from left to right. From left to right. That is the demand curve. It slopes downward, which shows that at higher price, fewer quantity of commodity will be demanded, and also at lower price a larger quantity will be what demanded. So let's go to our options now. Option A says is perfectly elastic. No. Option C says slopes downward. No. Slopes upward. No. Option D says is perfectly inelastic. No. Option B is the correct answer, which says slopes downward. Thank you, and please subscribe for more questions.